Welcome! In this video, we'll show you how to activate StreamSaver so you can start watching Netflix, Disney+, and Apple TV all in one simple plan. Let's get started. First, make sure pop-up blockers are disabled. Then open your activation email and select Activate Now. Once you're on the home page, sign into MyRogers or MyRogers Shaw. Once you're signed in, you'll see a few ways to complete the activation. You can select Activate Now from the banner on your overview page, or click on Activate Now from the Activate or Manage Subscriptions section. Each of these options will bring you to the Manage Subscriptions page. From here, activate each subscription individually. Register for a new account or link your existing account by using the same username and password on your apps and set-top box to keep your profile and watch history. Once you complete these simple steps, your StreamSaver subscription will be ready to go. For more help, visit rogers.com/support/StreamSaver.